Cloning a product in Sellercloud is fast and simple. Cloning saves you time and labor when creating similar products, because all product info is copied right into the clone, and you can make changes from there, such as product ID, SKU, and more. Note that a clone product is different from a shadow product. A shadow product shadows a real product. The shadow product is linked to an inventory SKU, but has its own product profile, whereas a clone is completely detached from the original product. A cloned product is a completely separate product with identical features to the original one. Successful product cloning requires enabling advanced client settings. We'll show you exactly how a bit later on. To clone a product in Sellercloud, go to the home page. Choose Manage Catalog, and use the filter feature to search for the item you want to clone. And then select it. Next, use the Action menu to find Clone SKU and select it. The pop-up tab lets you enter the new SKU and choose which product info you want to clone. Check that the company, fulfillment, and dependency option are all correct. Be sure to check the UPC or ASIN boxes to copy those. When you're ready, click Clone SKUs. A pop-up confirms that your cloning was successful. Click the Clone SKU to open the cloned product. Now let's see the advanced client settings for successful cloning. First, go to Settings. Then click Client Settings and the General Client Settings. Click on Advanced to enable those settings. Type Clone into the search bar. Please note that without clicking the Advanced button, you won't see any settings for cloning products. Be sure to select the Advanced button first. Let Sellercloud save you time and labor when creating products by cloning. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.